Hello everyone. I'm going to show you very short series of yoga stretches which can be practiced before you are walking or running as a warm-up or after finishing your walking or running as a cool-down series. So let's get started. Stand at the top of the mat. Breathe in, raise your arms up, look up. Breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, right leg back, right knee off the floor. Then keep your palms on your left knee. Breathe in, raise your arms up, slightly arch back. Breathe out, bring your palms down. Keep your back knee down and stretch your left leg. Feel the stretch on your hamstrings and calf muscles. You can do the second round. This time try to keep your front toes down. You can do a couple of times. Then bend your right leg. Try to hold your right foot with the right hand. This gives a deep stretch for your hamstrings. Be careful on your knees. Then take your left leg back. Go to mountain pose. Stay in mountain for a couple of breaths. Breathe in. Bring your right foot forward. Look straight. Breathe out. Bring your left foot forward. Breathe in, look straight, spine straight. Breathe out, go down. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up. Exhale, bring your hands back. Breathe in, raise up. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, go deep down. This time take your left leg back, left knee off the floor. Breathe in, raise your arms up. Breathe out, bring your palms down. Keeping your back knee down, do the stretch for the front leg. You can raise your toes up or keep your toes down. Both gives different stretches. Straightening your knee. Then bend your left leg. Hold your left foot with the left hand. Make sure you're not putting too much pressure on the knee. Then go to mountain pose. Breathe in and out here for a couple of rounds. Deep breathing. Breathe in, bring your left foot forward. Breathe out, right foot forward. Breathe in, look straight, spine straight. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathe in, raise your arms up. Breathe out, come back. Get ready for the second round. Breathe in, raise your arms up, look up. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathe in, right leg back, right knee down. You look straight. Deep breathing. Deepen your breath. Keep your right palm down. Raise your left arm up, giving a twist to your body. Bring your left palm down. Now slowly go to mountain pose. Stay there in the mountain for a couple of breaths. Deepen your breath. Breathe in, bring your left foot forward. Breathe out, other foot forward. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathe in, raise your arms up, look up. Breathe out, come back. Breathe in, arms up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathe in, left leg back, left knee down. Look straight. Feel the stretch on your spine. Keep your left palm down, right arm up, look up. Now bring your both palms down, go to mountain, Parvatasana, deepen your breath, feel the stretch on your spine. Deep breathing. Breathe in, bring your right foot forward, breathe out, left foot forward. Breathe in, look straight, breathe out, down. Breathe in, arms up, breathe out, go deep down. Next we are going to do another stretch for the calf muscles and hamstrings. Bend your one leg, keep your toes on the floor, lift the heel up and keeping your other leg straight, try to hold the toes. Whichever leg is straight, you are holding that leg toes. Feel the stretch. Now take that bent leg slightly behind and still keeping it bent. You are trying to hold the other toe. So here I am keeping my right leg straight and the left leg bent. One more step behind. Take your left leg, bend your left knee. Right leg is straight. hold your right toes. Stay there for a couple of breaths and feel the stretch in different areas on your leg. The other side. This time I'm bending my right leg and holding the left foot toes, keeping the left leg straight. Now taking my right leg slightly behind, keeping it bent. Left leg is straight, holding my left toes. Stay there and feel the stretch. Now take one more step behind, right leg, and right knee is bent. Left leg is straight, holding my left toes. Stay there for a couple of breaths. Come back. This gives a nice stretch of the entire leg muscles, calf muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps. Now another twisting. Take your right foot behind your left foot and hold your left toes. Stay there. This gives a twist as well as a stretch. Now change. Take your left foot behind the right foot. Bend forward and hold the right toes. Make sure you're not losing your balance. Stay there for a couple of breaths. Feel the stretch. Now raise your right leg, bend it and hold your right foot. Bring it close to your body. Now hug your right knee closer to your chest. This gives a balance as well as strength to your legs. Slowly bring your right leg down. We'll do the other side. Bend your left leg. Hold your left foot with the left hand. Try to bring your heel close to your buttocks. Now hug your left knee closer to your chest. You are standing tall. Deepen your breath. Feel the strength in your body. Slowly bring your left leg down. Now separate your legs and bend from your hip. Bend forward. You can slightly bend your knees so that you can ease your spine. Stay there, keeping your arms relaxed, head relaxed, upper body relaxed. You can move your head sideways, up and down. Now bring your legs together. Breathe in, you look straight, spine straight. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathe in, slowly come up. Breathe out, relax. Now we can do some side stretches. Lie on your side. You can support your head with your one palm. The other palm can be kept in the front. Breathe in, raise the top leg up. Breathe out, down. Do very slowly for a couple of rounds. You can hold it for some time so that you are strengthening the leg muscles. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath though you are holding the position. Now keep the top leg behind the other leg and lift the down leg up and down. The bottom leg you are slowly lifting up on inhalation and dropping down on exhalation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in and check whether you can hold for some time and then bring it down. Now slowly lie on your abdomen and relax. Now we can do the other side, lifting the top leg up and down couple of times. If you can hold it for some time, stay there, hold the position, but you are not holding the breath. Keep breathing but hold the position. Now keep the top leg behind. We're going to lift the bottom leg up. Breathe in, lift up, breathe out, down. Very slowly breathe in, breathe out. This looks easy but not that easy. With practice you will improve. You can do a couple of rounds. If you can hold the position, lift it up and hold it for some breaths. Slowly come on your abdomen and relax. Next we'll do another pose, Dhanurasana, or bow pose. Bend your legs, hold your ankles, then slowly on inhalation, raise your head up, chest up. Try to pull your thighs off the floor. This gives a very good stretch for the hamstrings, quadriceps. Your chest and shoulders are also involved. Stay there for few breaths. Then you can bring your legs down, bring your forehead back. You can try once more. Breathe in, lift your head up, chest up, legs up. You can stay there for as long as you could, taking deep breaths. Press your palms down, sit in child pose and relax your body completely. Thank you.